Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj, showing you authentic Indian cuisine. Let's begin the recipe. This is a very fast and simple recipe. I can do it in minutes and relish it. I'm using Chiroti Rava semolina, 1/4 cup. I'm adding sour curd and 2 cups of water. I will just mix this before I start. To the pan, I'm adding in oil. Going to add mustard, when it is crackling, I'm going to add in Urad dal and Channa dal. I'm going to add in the green chilies and few curry leaves. Now to this I'm going to pour in curd, rava and the mixture. Keep stirring and pouring. Some salt to taste. In this recipe, if you are in a hurry, you can eat it like this, or you can even add onions to it. Sometimes I prefer sauteing onions separately and adding to this. As I told you, I roasted some onions separately. I'm going to add in the onions and finely chopped coriander. Mix it well and ready to eat. Just scoop it in a bowl and the food is ready to eat. Yummy curd upma ready to eat. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.